Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk little about why school is important for poor kids and for underprivileged section. So basically, as per my understanding, in India, our constitution says that equality should be prevailed. Equality should be given to each person and it should be without any caste, sex or creed, right? So education is something which helps in developing the mental faculties in the kids. So why it should be restricted only to the middle class or the people who can afford? Because we know that all humans, we are born with our unique talent and we all have certain uniqueness and potential within us. If you see and compare two fingers of your hand, I'm sure they are not of the same size, right? How can be two kids of the same age be same, right? So that is why education is a tool, it's a technique which, if received by every youngster, every child in our country, will help them not only to become self-sufficient, not only to become a person who can earn the money, but an ability, a cognitive development of their brain where they can intelligently think about their life, take the decisions of their life. So we often think, why there are certain subjects in our school. So we think, why we have to study history, but we fail to understand sometimes that until and unless we don't know about the past, we cannot think about present and we cannot plan about future, right? So each subject plays a vital role in the life of these children. So young mind is like it's like a pot. So whatever you will give, it will just receive, because they are very innocent and very pure. That is why it is really important that education, the knowledge, should go and touch the life of each human, irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their creed, irrespective of their gender, and most importantly, it should cross the barrier and just disintegrate the barrier of the rich and poor. And each child is unique. That is why it is very important that they learn how to use their brain, and also in the education they learn how to become a better person. So there are subjects like moral science which help them to inculcate the virtues, the values of the life. And that is why it is our responsibility as the citizen of India that the people who can afford, they should donate the money for these kids who can equally get this right as we have received. So with that note, think about it, how we can contribute in the lives of these unprivileged children and make it a point where they turn out to be privileged.